Hello, I'm Brett Mellon, and I am on ISD's campus, the Indiana School for the Deaf. Behind me is the maintenance building, which is one of the many buildings on the 80-acre property. 80 acres is huge. What's more is the variety of the structures. Some of the buildings were built in the 1900s, 1950s, 60s, 80s, with one or two built in the 2000s. When you arrive on campus and see the varying styles and times in which our buildings are built, it's cool. Best of all, the buildings is maintenance, which sits behind me because the maintenance department wants to fill 3 vacant positions. For those of you watching considering applying, go ahead and apply. But do so knowing that if you're selected, you will work in an environment that uses ASL, where all people use sign language. While working on our campus, students will see you at work and have opportunities to learn about you and the skill sets utilized in maintaining our school. It will be a great experience for our students and for you. ISD provides a full and complete immersion in our school's language and community, access to the wide range of buildings, and opportunities for personal and professional growth. Go online at deafhoosiers.com to see more information. If you have questions, you can communicate with us there, and our staff will respond with answers. Exact details are available at deafhoosiers.com. Please apply.